When you get grateful for what you have right now, you will soon have more to be grateful for. And it's so true. When you send out those feelings of gratitude, what happens is you become instantaneously happy. Bea, what are you thankful for today?
I'm thankful that I got out of the city to experience all of it. Really awesome and to be with awesome people.
Awesome.
I'm thankful for the fresh air that we don't have in the city.
Thankful ako kasi na-experience ko yung pag-hike dito, yung hiking na sobrang lamig.
I can sing. Well, I'm thankful for the miracle of life and for the beauty that God created, creation, the mountains, the atmosphere, clean air. I'm so grateful for it.
I'm thankful for hiking with my friends today.
I'm thankful for the good weather.
Till we hit the ground, how could we ever make this?
Thankful for being able to hike again with friends.
That was my answer.
So yeah. Hi, I'm thankful to be hiking again after almost a year. And I'm thankful it's not raining. And I'm thankful to be hiking with Nomad again. Yay! And I'm thankful for family. For friends!
Your life made a difference to some. Be grateful for your tough times because you helped develop your strength and spirit. Just say thank you. Thank you for this gift. Thank you for this ride. Thank you for this journey. A lot of people go through their life without experiencing the beauty of these moments. Your life, although perhaps filled with many imperfections, is still an experience.
I can see a sunrise. Call me out from the dark, cause I'm broken inside. I can see a sunrise. Call me out from the dark, cause I'm broken inside. Up above the sky, up.
What are you thankful for today?
For the view!
Thankful for climbing Mount Ulap for the first time.
I'm thankful I'm here with you guys today.
Parachutes, caught up like parachutes. Oh, how we fly.
And in our final moments, we would do anything just to grasp onto for a little while longer. Can you imagine, as you hear this, there are people who are taking their final breaths, looking back at their lives and wishing they could have done more. Meanwhile, we're alive, we're breathing air, our hearts are pumping, our brain is doing billions of operations per second just to keep the game going. There's an entire spectrum of life you're missing out when you don't take moments. Just feel, just create moments, and that will make you human again.
June, what are you thankful for today?
The mountain.
You called me up from the dark and brought me into the light. You called me up from the dark and brought me into the light. You called me out from the dark and brought me into the light. You called me out from the dark and brought me into the light.
What are you thankful for today?
This.
You can decide in this moment. Fall in love with every second, and when you do, it's when you'll truly come to life.